Welcome back, guys. This is part 2 of the video I put out yesterday. And so we're finishing up the shelves. Probably won't get them done today because we'll have to put the stain on and then let it set. But Dad helped me just now fasten the back and the top together, and then Dad just routed them. And I finished sanding the edges. So the next thing I have to do, I gotta take some sandpaper and kind of knock that off. Right there's a little bit of a extra on this side, so I'm gonna do that, and then I'll get the torch and then burn the wood. And one of these is gonna be light oak stain. I was probably gonna do this one light oak because the wood's a little lighter, and then this one I'll do I can't remember what. It's more of a darker stain. It's this color here. It's like I don't even remember what it was called. But that's what I'm going to do for the second one. And then I bought hooks last night, but I only got 20. So I think I'm going to do 10 per rack, which this has 16 on it because my girlfriend likes to have jeans. So the other one will have 10 on it. And it can really be used for anything. You can use it for hats or even coats, because those hooks ought to be big enough for either or. So I'm going to do that, and then I'll get some video of the burning the wood, because that's pretty cool to watch. So I'll get back with you guys here in a little bit. So I'm to the point where I'm using the torch to burn the wood, and I already did a full one. I did this first one. I just finished it. It looks really good. So, as you can tell, it just burns certain grains, and the knots look really well with it too. I think it does a really good job with the knots on the wood. And so we're gonna do this one. I'll set the camera up, and then you guys can watch. It's a really cool process. So I'll get that set up and let you guys see how it goes. So it doesn't really take a whole lot. It's more about just the speed that you're in the torch across and the angle of your flame. Then whenever you miss, you can always come back and get later. Or if you want it a little darker, you just hold the flame on a little bit longer. So that's kind of what it looks like there compared to the rest of the wood. It gives it a nice finish, and then once you get the stain on it, depending on what stain you use. I haven't used the light stain yet, the oak finish, but I think it'll look really well. And then we did clear coat on the other one that I did before. Kind of gave it that glossy look. finish this up and probably show you guys what it looks like. I may get some more footage of me doing the sides or whatever, but I'll finish it and then show you what they look like finished, and then we'll get some stain on them and let them set for probably the rest of the day. Alright, so both the racks are done and they're both burnt. So now I'm ready for the stain. And so the one I got for the darker one is going to be Early American. And then this lighter one is Golden Oak. So it'll be a lighter color. And then the second one I do is going to be the same color as this one. It's darker color. And then we have some gloss, or the finish that'll go on it. So I'm going to do that, get both these stained up and ready to go, and then I'll show you the finished product. So I finished up getting the stain on these. I think I'm going to call it a day. But the one with the darker stain, it ought to be good. The one with the lighter stain, I may come back and hit a second time, probably tomorrow. And then the first one, I should be able to get hooks on, get it done tomorrow. And then that lighter one ought to be a couple more days at least. But I'll show them to you. So that's the darker colored one. Where you can see the wood still, that's in between where the top and the back come together. That's the darker color. And then this would be that natural color. You can't really tell on camera, but it is a good bit lighter than this dark color. So this will probably be the last video I make of this, just because they're together and the hooks aren't terrible to figure out. You just gotta figure out your spacing and how far you want them. Like these, they're 2 inches in from the sides, and then I messed up on that a little bit, so some of them are wider here, and then they kind of get narrower as you go down. They were supposed to be like 3 1/8, but these are like 2 3/4, and then these last ones are almost 4, like 3 1/2, 4, and so usually 2 inches in from the outside. That's what I'm going to do on those as well, but I'm only doing 10 hooks, so the spacing will be a little bit wider. We'll have a better gap there. But that's all for this project, and I'm sure there will be more. So thanks for tuning in, and like and subscribe if you like the substance of the video. We do a lot of trucks on this channel though, so not much of this. But if you like it, subscribe, and leave a like, leave a comment. We appreciate it, and we'll see you in the next one.